Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of mechanical keyboards with the DROP CTRL Mechanical Keyboard, a Tenkeyless marvel that's redefining gaming and typing experiences. This flagship keyboard from DROP combines premium engineering with community-driven design, featuring a robust aluminum frame, built-in switch plate, and magnetic legs for a rock-solid setup. The barebones model offers the ultimate customization, allowing you to choose your own plate-mounted cherry-style switches and stabilizers, thanks to its hot-swappable switch functionality, no soldering required. With millions of customizable RGB backlighting options, you can illuminate your keys with a single color or create mesmerizing rainbow wave patterns to match your style. The Control is more than just a keyboard. It's a versatile tool that puts you in control, whether you're gaming, coding, or crafting the perfect email. So, if you're ready to elevate your typing experience, the DROP CTRL Mechanical Keyboard is your ticket to a world of endless possibilities. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.